Plants in the UK are struggling because of changes to their habitat has worried experts. A survey found 60% of the species examined have declined since the 70s.
Intensive farming, the loss of natural meadows and the growing use of pesticides were all found to be part of the problem. This week on Breakfast, we're finding out how different groups are trying to reverse that decline.
Today, Jenny Hill is in North Yorkshire looking at what farmers are doing to improve things. Morning again, Jenny.
Louise, welcome to the milking parlour where the morning's work, I'm told, is almost done. Now, dairy farmers are, as a group, being asked to sign up to, if you like, a voluntary scheme designed to help the environment and, its hopes, reverse the decline in British wildlife. We've been to a crop farm not far away from here to see how that scheme is already working.
On this farm, every creature counts. Here they nurture the countryside as carefully as the crop. It's why Farmer Richard has put up nearly 70 bird and bat boxes and grown hundreds of metres of hedgerow. The result? This farm teems with wildlife.
We all recognise that the impact that mankind is having on the planet is significant, and what we have to do in a sustainable way is to make sure that we can not only continue to deliver on our food needs and production of raw materials, but also we can deliver conservation needs as well. I think we can do that if we get to understand the best ways to integrate conservation management alongside food production.
Which is why here there's no such thing as spare land. These may look like wild meadows. In fact, from a butterfly perspective, this is a well-stocked larder, and this a slap-up meal for bees and birds.
And here's why this patch of land is so important. Farmland accounts for some 75% of the UK, and a recent major study found that since the 1970s, the number of birds on land like this has halved.
The same study revealed farmland butterfly numbers have declined by a third. In fact, 1 in 10 species of British wildlife is threatened with extinction. Many farmers are paid to safeguard their environment. 70% of UK farmland's looked after in this way. Campaigners, though, say that's not enough. They now hope livestock farmers can help reverse the decline in British wildlife. Back on Richard's farm, this field's not needed for a few months, so he's planted seeds to feed winter wildlife. In turn, they'll help fertilise the soil. The needs of the farmed and natural environment, he told us, so often go hand in hand, and that's the key to sustaining both for the future.
Fraser Hugill is from the Campaign for the Farmed Environment, the group behind this voluntary scheme. Morning, Fraser.
Morning, Jenny.
Why ask farmers to sign up when so many of them already receive subsidies to help the environment as it is?
Yeah, the Campaign for the Farmed Environment is driven by farmers. It's a farming-based initiative, and really what it's about doing is capturing a lot of the good work that farmers are doing already, and sort of encouraging them to do more and to do it better.
How are you going to incentivise farmers who are clearly wanting to make their business profitable?
Yeah, a lot of the things we look to do with farmers is to see how environment can fit with their farm business. So looking at bits of the farm that maybe aren't profitable and saying, well, that's where we can deliver more for wildlife.
OK, well, let's put that to the test. Let's bring in Richard Bramley, who you saw there in the report, a crop farmer, from not far away, actually, from just down the road. Richard, how easily could the model of what you do on your farm be translated to other farm businesses?
Well, I think it can. What I utilise is a stewardship scheme that's run by a government body, Natural England, and then I try and enhance the work that's done with that.